Hello, welcome back to BCBR. Today we're going to do one that has a rock solid reputation, but not in a good way. It's notorious. It is Earthquake High Gravity Lager. They must be ashamed of the fact that it's a malt liquor because it says High Gravity Lager here, but in small letters near the scan bar it does say Malt Liquor. It's a 10% alcohol. And it's made by the Drink Four Brewing Company out of Crosse, Wisconsin. I paid $2.50 for this big can. How many ounces is it? 24 ounces. And it gets a 1.81 on Untappd. That is a horrible score. Previously, the lowest score that I've come across is Milwaukee's Best Light, which gets a 182. So it beats Earthquake by a little bit. But I would drink Milwaukee's Best Light all day long. It wouldn't bother me. It's okay. I kind of like it. But this one, I'm not too sure about. But I want to try it. I could get at the very least, get an Untappd check-in on Earthquake and have the experience of trying it. Now I figure if you're going to do Earthquake, you might as well go big. Alright, so I brought out the big glass. Big can, big glass, big Earthquake. Here we go. I'm not promising to finish this can, not by any stretch. It doesn't smell that great. I'm starting to... That smell is going to turn my stomach. Here we go. I am trying to go into this with an open mind, but I've heard so many people say how horrible this is. And I was even dared to drink the whole can by somebody. I said I will try it and give it a shot, but I will not promise to drink the whole can. Earthquake. I'll save the can, put it in my rotation down in the basement. There we go. Look at that. It's the color of urine with somebody with a bladder infection with a head on it, or somebody who's very dehydrated. Kind of malty and wet, like a wet rug. All right, let's just dive right in. I'll give her a go. Here we go. Cheers. Not that enjoyable, but it's not as horrendous as I imagined. I got to be careful with this big glass. It's a little bit unwieldy. It's not as bad as I imagined it would be. It's not really enjoyable. Kind of heavy. It's got a kind of a chewy mouthfeel. But you know, if you sipped on it over a long period of time, you could get it all down, I think. But to drink it fast would be suicide. Not suicide, but you're going to get sick. What a beautiful afternoon. Absolutely stunning. Not the greatest day for an earthquake, but when is a good day for an earthquake? This has no bitterness at all. It's surprisingly a little bit refreshing. The flavor's not all that great though. It's going to take me a long time if I do decide to drink it all. There's no alcohol taste. Let me try again. It's better than I thought. I got to admit. There's really not a lot to it. Kind of a heavy, malty, very filling flavor and feeling. Oh, that sky is a beautiful blue color. I don't know what else to say about it, other than I don't hate it as much as I imagined I would. And I do recommend trying it once and see what you think. I've had worse. I've had much worse. I think 1.81 is too low, and that's not what I was expecting to tell you. I think I'll go 2.5. It's drinkable. It's not that enjoyable, but it's kind of right there on the line. That's it. I'm not going to finish it in front of you, but I'm going to sip on this for the rest of the afternoon. And that'll be it for the day. Kind of does look good in that glass, so doesn't it? All right. I'm going on and on. It's better than I thought. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.